Hello children, today we are going to learn how to write at words. Okay, so before we begin our work, let's write the date. Today is 6th July 2020. Now, when we do words in a copy, at that time we'll make pictures also. Fine. So here the first word is at. There is no picture for at, so we'll put a cross here and then we'll write, like I told you earlier, slant line. We'll make A first. From here only we'll make the kick and sleeping line. At. One more time. Slant, back, up, down, again up, come down, kick and sleeping line. When we are writing words, we'll not pick up our pencil until we finish the entire word. Next word is bat. When we are writing bat, first we have to make the picture. You all know what a bat is. So we'll make two slanting lines, close them, make an inverted line here, sleeping line, and then two slanting lines here, close them, make lines here in the center. Here is how our bat will be made. We'll write bat here. Let's start. Slant up, loop, come down, go back up and kick. And from top only we'll start A, and then from here kick, sleeping line. One more time. Slant line up, come down, go back up, and from top only we will start A and bat. Next word is cat. So we'll make a cat here. Make a small circle in the first line. Make a bigger circle in the last two lines. Here make a tail. We'll make ears here, eyes, inverted V and a W, and whiskers. Our cat is ready. Let's write cat here. Joining. Let's begin from here. A, come down, and from here we go up, come down, kick, cat. One more time. Sleeping line. Children, when you do the writing work, always spell out the things you are writing. Okay? Next word is fat. Let's make the picture the way we did in cat. Small circle, big circle. Make here collars, eyes, mustaches, some hair this side, some hair this side, two legs, hands, shirt, pocket, and fat. Fat. From here and then go up, come down, kick. Have you seen what ma'am has done? She has joined F and A from the top only. We'll not come down and then start. From top only we'll make the letter. One more time. Go up, make a loop, come down, go back up, kick, and from this kick only we'll start A and then T and sleeping line. Last word for today is hat. How do we make a hat? Make two slanting lines, join them, then make a disc or an oval, join these lines, and our hat is ready. At a hat. Let's write. Go up, make a loop, come down, hop, kick, and here in hat, we'll make A from the bottom line. A, T, sleeping line, ready. One more time. Up, loop, down, hop, and then from the bottom make A and T. Children, do you know you can make a sentence also with these words? So let's write here. A fat fat cat, sleeping line, and a full stop. When we finish a sentence, we always put a full stop. This is how you have to do your work. Neatly, one word after another, and if you make a mistake, keep an eraser by your side so that you can erase it and do it again. Bye-bye.